I didn't get burned out from nursing. I got frustrated with the system we're forced to work in. Because we keep managing symptoms all day long, but we rarely get to the actual problem. And the patients keep coming back, stuck in the same cycle. At some point, I realized we're not actually creating health. That's what led me to functional nursing. Functional nursing is a root cause, lifestyle centered approach. It looks at what's actually driving illness, things like nutrition, stress, sleep, environment, and daily habits. Not just what's happening in the hospital, but what's happening in people's lives. Because that's where health is created, or slowly broken down. The goal is simple: not just manage disease, but to actually help people heal, and to support nurses to practice in a way that finally makes sense.